Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Keane College Shillong haka arpsan terik mentau naitung kala Rakhe ya ka seng jong kani ke jaka pule kabala dap menta prapulais nampura da ki program beper kibala penyai da ka komiti bakerpang na menta kani ke sengi rengkat ke jinge trelang jong ka IQAC uba W Collab IAS ubalong ru president jong ka governing body jong ka college ulalong u kongsan ha kani ke sengi Kiway ki kenrem kilandan ki kentup yai principal kong Dr. C. Masar ki principal barim bat kinong hikay lem bat ki alumni jong kaninga college.
Now, foundation day of the college is the academic performance, the academic excellence in all fields of the quality of education. When we bring out the criteria in which the institution has to meet to be able to give quality education. When we talk about quality means we don't have to have 100 departments, we don't have to have more than that, but we can have just quality type of departments which can give the best to our students. On the academic front, I would like to announce here that the university has also granted, the academic council has approved to start the Bachelor of Computer Applications. But the documents are yet to be received by the college this year so that we can start, get ourselves prepared in 2019. And also, this year, the UGC have announced the application to any institution offer if you want to apply for bachelor in vocational courses. And yes, Keane College has done that. We are one of the applicants for the Bachelor of Vocational Courses. So I'm not very sure whether we will get or not. And that we have stressed on one field only from the add-on courses, which is doing very well on fashion designing. We have done it as fashion technology. So this is one which we have applied, and hopefully we will be the one who will be considered so that we can give skilled courses more into our institutions these days, as announced by our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi.
Here we are, here we gather for knowledge, here we learn, here we strive for success, here we stand, we are molded for greatness, this is where we all dare to dream, while nations do daily and lately, while nations do daily and lately.
Lapenlong kerpang ya gani kesngi da gejing sam khusnam syaki samla pule kibalawan syakmat ha gejing pule beper jongki kentup ya kibala yo ya ka kerdan first class ha ga degree final examination arja khatpra jongka arts but science kumjuru ya gitu kibala yo ka kerdan first class ha ga embos final examination arja khatpra jongka arts but science Lasamru ya lightly ki khusnam bakerpang kata ya ka bravery award ka best NSS volunteers IQAC but ka dedicated reader at main college library. Hagaju ka por lasamru ya ki prize ya ki togi samla puli ki balapas ya ka promotion examination arajar ka prajong ka arts but science stream. But kumajule himan lausnem latung ya ki nongkit kambat mai jong ka students council.
Years have passed, and if we look back to the past and examine ourselves and about the development of the college in the present context. And if I ask you, are we moving ahead? Are we moving ahead or not? Yes, I could hear some voices. You all said yes. We all agree that we are moving ahead. In terms of quantity, those days when the college was started, 22 or 82, 83 years back, the enrollment was very less, but now thousands of students are there. We are very thankful to the pioneers, to the forefathers, to those who have endeavored, who have worked hard to establish the college, and now it grows as it is. In terms of quantity, yes. In terms of quality also, I would say yes. The result, the outcome, the performance of the students, whether in the board exam or in the university exam, yes, we are moving ahead. In the teaching learning process, yes. In the infrastructure, yes. This is due to the hard work of everyone, right from the principal, ex-principal, the present principal, the teachers, the students, including the governing body, and all those well-wishers who have really worked hard, who are involved with the students, with the management of the college, and also even the parents, the guardians who are involved with the studies of our dear students.
Lapan syong kun syong sbai ya gani ka sngi da jing ruai ber jing shat balapan kre kerpang da samla puli gani ka college.